Children, this is sixth main. Write the cubes in expanded form. Write the cubes in expanded form. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Okay. So how to expand this? Using, see here minus is there. This is x minus y whole cube. X minus y whole cube is equal to what is the formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, x is x itself, but y is 2 by 3 y. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube is equal to what we get here according to this identity, x cube minus y is 2 by 3 y whole cube minus 3 into x is x into y is 2 by 3 y into x minus y is 2 by 3 y. Okay, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 y cube minus 3 will get cancelled, so 2xy we get into x minus 2 by 3 y. Okay, next is x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2 into 1. Okay, this is 1. 2 1s are 2, x into x square y plus 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3 minus into minus plus 4 by 3 x y into y is y square. Okay, this is what the answer. Now let us move to the next problem. So that is first, second, third. Please take it as homework. Here you have to use the identity x plus y whole cube. Here x minus y whole cube. Here also x plus y whole cube you have to use. Now let us move to seventh main. Evaluate using suitable identities. So here 99 whole cube can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. 998 whole cube is equal to again 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Okay, here please take this as homework, first and second as homework, and third one I have done here. That is this can be 998 whole cube is equal to 1000 minus 2 whole cube. This formula is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So x is 1000, y is 2. 1000 minus 2 whole cube is equal to 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 times 1000 minus 2. So 1000 whole cube is this much you will get. That is 3 zeros. We have here 3 zeros that we have to write 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 3 2s are 6 into 1000 is 6000 into 998. Okay, now we get this much minus 8 minus if we multiply 6000 into 998 we will get this much. Okay, now adding, first we have to add these two. If we add these two we get here this much. So from this number we have to subtract this. So we will get 9940119992. Okay, 99 crores 40 lakhs 11,992. Okay, this is what the answer we get. Now 8th main is factorize. 25th problem I have taken here. 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 2 p. So 27 can be written as 27 p cube 3p whole cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27p whole cube minus 1 by 216 is 1 by 6. 6 into 6 into 3, 6 if we do. If we multiply we get 216 minus 3 into, according to the formula, 3 into xy. 3 into x is 3p into y is 1 by 6 into x minus y, that is 3p minus 1 by 6. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. This is what the answer we get. So this 8th mean also you can take this as homework. 4 problems I have given for homework. Please take it as homework. These are the 4 problems. Okay, do it in homework notebook. Okay, now let us move to ninth main. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So now let us take what we have here in right hand side, that is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Let us write this one. Now let us multiply x times x square minus xy plus y square, okay, plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. So if you multiply x into x square is x cube minus x into x square y plus xy square plus x square y minus x y square plus y cube. Okay, now x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to what we get here, all these terms minus x square y and minus x square y plus x square y will get cancelled, xy square minus xy square will get cancelled, remaining x cube plus y cube. This is one of the identity. Okay, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, hence verified. Similarly, we can prove that x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This is a homework. Okay, just do how I have explained here. Accordingly you do it and simplify. You will get x cube minus y cube. Okay, now 10th main is factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. Homework. Second one, 64m cube minus 343n cube is equal to 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. So here x is 4m and y is 7n. So what is the formula? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So now x cube is 4m whole cube plus 7n whole cube is equal to x is 4m minus y is 7n into x square is 4m whole square plus x is 4m into y is 7n plus y square is 7n whole square. That is 4 4 16, 16 4s are 64m cube minus 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343m cube is equal to 4m minus 7n into 4m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Now just 11th question is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Okay, now 27 can be written as 3x. Okay, 3x is that 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube into 3 into x can be written as x is 3x and y as it is, z as it is. Now the formula is, we know, that is identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Here just identify what is x here. X is 3x, y is y, okay, and z is z. So here x cube is 3x whole cube is nothing but 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 3 is a 9, 9xyz is equal to x is 3x plus y plus z into x is 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus x is 3xy minus yz as it is minus x is 3x into z. So we'll get here answer 3x plus y plus z into 3 3 is a 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Okay children, this is what the answer. Next verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 times x plus y plus z. Okay, so here how to verify this? Okay, this is continuation. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus, once again see here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to 1 by 2 times x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So we have to verify this. Okay, so how to verify? So let us take this one, 1 by 2 times x plus y plus z. See children, this, after seeing this problem now, you may feel that, you may think that very complicated. It's not at all complicated. Okay, please sit, concentrate, listen to the video properly, and then do it 1 or 2 times or 3 times. You do it, definitely you will get it. Okay, very easy it is actually, but you have to practice and you have to learn in a you have to concentrate and learn. Okay, you have to sit and you have to practice and then you have to learn properly, then you will feel very easy. Now let us take what we have here, our right hand side, that is half into x plus y z, x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So let us take that RHS here, this and all RHS, that is equal to, let us expand this, half times x plus y plus z, right as it is. Then see here children, let us expand. I said what we have to expand, this one, see here, x minus y whole square. So we know the that means we know the formula, or we know this is the identity, and we know the identity. What is the identity here? So what is that children? This into this can be expanded, is it not, in this manner, x square minus 2xy plus y square, isn't it? Same thing, plus y minus z whole square can be expanded like this, isn't that? Ay square minus 2yz plus z square plus z minus x whole square can be expanded like this, yes or no? Z square minus 2xz plus x square. Now 1 by 2 times x plus y plus z, right as it is. Now here x square we have 2 times, just observe here, 2 times, so 2x square, and y square 2 times we have 2y square, and z square also we have 2 times, 2z square, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Okay, now right as it is, this one, this x plus y plus z into 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 I have written here. Okay, into here, all everywhere in each term we have 2, that can be taken as common, isn't it? So right as it is, this one, then x plus y plus z into 2 will get cancelled. We get x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz, that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so therefore what we get here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 times x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y square y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Is there any difficulty in this? If you feel difficulty, you can ask me. Okay.